What have we here? It's like Christmas, and I don't do a lot of these unboxings with you guys, but I figured it's so much, let's enjoy it together. So first up, I've been waiting for this to come back in stock. Microfiber Incredibrush. This is a microfiber wheel brush. Sometimes I get nervous using the easy detail brushes. They do a great job, but sometimes they can induce a lot of scratches. And I've been wanting one of these, especially for a lot of the black wheels that are coming out lately. You need something with a little bit more of a delicate touch. And we also have G-Technique Crystal Serum Light and EXO version 4. You're gonna be doing some coating tests, durability tests. I wanna kind of get some of the more popular ones that are on the market. And that definitely is a big one. I see it all the time pop up, and so I figured, let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. What do we got here? Okay, this is just a teaser. Shine Supply has been one of those brands that I have been following for years, but I've never really tested them out. And honestly, they started off on Instagram. Jeremy Stevens is their owner, and if you know his story, it's kind of a remarkable one. But he has a lot of kind of history with Meguiar's. He actually started off with the mobile detail mentality, and he actually had, I think it was like 16 to 18 years in the mobile detail business, and now he has a shop, but he knows exactly what a lot of detailers are looking for. So he designed his products with intentionality to be able to work in really all environments, not just in a shop setting or anything. So they're professional grade products. They're designed for the pro detailer in mind. So for those of you that are wanting something that works extremely well, especially a lot of them are going to work extremely well in a mobile environment, they are now going to be sold on Car Supplies Warehouse. Normally they were just on their website. So this is huge. This is an awesome opportunity for those of you that enjoy Car Supplies Warehouse. And if you also enjoy saving some money, if you use coupon code Chelsea10 at checkout, you're gonna be able to save 10% off and try these products for yourself. So I'm not gonna unbox everything because number one, Car Supplies Warehouse, Don and his team over there, I've gotten to know them a little bit since working with them. Guys, you do a fantastic job of wrapping stuff because sometimes it takes a little bit of extra effort to unpack it all. But whenever I get my products from them, they're secure, they're safe. I've never had anything kind of explode or damage all over everything else. I mean, let me just show you. So that was one. This is two. And then now we've got tape all over the top to seal it in. So for those of you that are constantly complaining from other providers that your package comes spilt, I'm not saying that Amazon or UPS or FedEx can't throw things, but as far as protection goes, Car Supplies Warehouse, they do it right. So we're gonna unpackage all of this. Give me a minute. I'll be back. So it's a lot to go through, and I'm gonna try to make this as quick and to the point as possible. They have their glass cleaner Sunshine. They have their citrus-based cleaner, carpet cleaner. This is going to leave behind no residue. It's not gonna have a strong chemical smell. It's just gonna leave behind a nice, fresh citrus smell. We also have Super Spot, their stain remover. Now this actually has an enzyme solution within it, and you can see that it actually can go after organic staining, and it's gonna help prevent any sort of odor-causing bacteria from those organisms that get left behind. But if you do have odor issues, Cool Breeze is the product to grab. You can see here as a closer look, it's not going to disguise the smell. It's actually going to break apart the smelly bonds and foul odors, destroying the odor completely. So I'm excited to test that out in the future. I do a lot of interiors. In fact, I'm doing one today. If we're wanting to wipe down all of our plastics, surfaces on the interior, we have Hitman, their sanitary cleaner. I know especially with the last couple of years, this is a high point of focus for a lot of people. So this is a product that's gonna be safe for your interiors, but it's going to be able to cut through and sanitize. Now, when it comes to cleaning the plastics on your interior, these are the two that you really want to maybe consider the most if you're kind of like, well, which one do I grab? He actually recommended get the leather and interior cleaner, which is an all surface cleaner, and then Clean and Shine. You're gonna wanna do this one, and then follow up with Clean and Shine. What this is gonna do is actually clean all of your plastics and the leather. It's gonna give you deeper cleaning than if you were to just kind of grab one of these products. It's really gonna focus more on conditioning. So this is going to be the all surface cleaner, and then come in with Clean and Shine. He said this is a fantastic matte finish. It's not going to make it greasy or slippery. It's not going to give you a glare on your dash, but it will add UV protection as well. When it comes to tires and wheels, they have a dedicated wheel cleaner. This is going to be your color changing formula, acid-free, safe for all wheels. If you're looking for just a general maintenance tire and wheel cleaner, Wise Guys the product. If your wheels have been easily maintained and you want to clean both simultaneously with one product, this is a great product to grab. And then once everything is done, they have their decked out tire dressing. This is a concentrated version. You can see here a little bit. It's going to go a long way for a satin finish, 2-to-1, high gloss, 1-to-1. Shake well, apply, let it dry, and you're going to have a beautiful looking tire. So when it comes to soaps, they have 3 options for you to choose from, and let me kind of give you the bullet points of each. Shine soap, obviously, as you can see, is wash and protect. This is actually designed intentionally for the mobile detailer, those who have to wash their vehicle outdoors. You can see it's a low foaming design and rinses with ease, saving you time and water, but it also is going to have a slight rinse agent within it that's going to help reduce water spotting on your paint and windows. So for those of you that have to wash your vehicles outdoors that have no sort of protection, maybe you're just doing a lot of maintenance vehicles for your customers or for yourself. Hot Shot Car Wash Soap. This is a cherry scented, thick shaving cream type soap, and this is going to give you really nice cleaning capabilities, but it's pH neutral. If you're looking to prep a vehicle for any sort of protection, Hot Shot is the product to grab. Now, after you've protected your vehicle, this is where you want to use Shift. If you are wanting a premium wash experience for your ceramic coated or protected vehicle, this is the product that you want to grab. It's the absolute definition of pure, as it contains no silicones, sodium lauryl sulfate, waxes, polymers, or any other additives, making Shift simply perfect for washing vehicles protected with ceramic coatings. So once we are done washing our vehicle, your next steps naturally are probably going to be to chemically decontaminate your paint. And that is where we have our paint decontaminator, Smooth Move. Now when it comes to chemical decontamination, and let me actually show you up here, Cool Guy is actually going to be a thicker formula. It's designed to cling to your wheels and actually give you better cleaning capabilities, and you don't have to use as much when cleaning your wheels because you obviously want that grime fighting capability to kind of stick to the paint, but it actually is going to dry out too quickly because of that if you were to use it on your paint. And so Jeremy recommends that you use Smooth Move for your paint and keep Cool Guy just for your wheels. I know a lot of times when we see these iron changing wheel cleaners, we automatically think, oh, 2 for 1, let's use it on the paint. But he actually said it wasn't designed for that. It was designed for wheels. Stick to Smooth Move for paint decontamination. Now, for those of you wanting to offer paint enhancements, these are 2 products that I would highly recommend. This is going to be similar to, let's say, like 3D Speed or maybe even Meguiar's D166. It's going to be a 1-step polish and wax. It's going to remove light swirls and scratches, put down a layer of protection. It's going to be designed to be mobile friendly. So for those of you wanting to offer quick paint enhancements and just maybe top it with a wax or sealant, this is a great product to use. Now, this is one of the most popular products that Shine Supply sells, and the reason behind that, you might see Reconditioning Cream and think, oh, like it's just going to do fillers, it's going to do a quick enhancement. When you pair this with either the Lake Country Orange HDO pads or the yellow Rupes foam pads, specifically designed to be used with those 2 foam pads, it's going to give you the best results with them. You can actually do decent correction with this, but this actually is going to have SiO2 protection within it, and you can actually use this as a primer polish for their Relock Express ceramic coating or even their Beadlock Pro ceramic paint coating, or as I'm going to have it in a few days, their Beadlock Pro marine grade coating. Now, I don't have that here, but for those of you that are wanting to test out a ceramic coating, we're going to take a closer look at this product. And once I have it, Jeremy's sending it to me to test out. We're also going to have their marine grade. Now, you might be thinking, marine, I don't work on boats. I don't need a marine grade coating. He actually was telling me that their marine grade coating can be used on vehicles. They used it on a work truck, and it was extremely easy to apply, but it was durable as all get. I'm excited to test it out, take a closer look at it myself. I have a work truck coming up in a few weeks that we're going to be testing out that marine grade product on. So for those of you that want a closer look at that product, make sure you stay tuned, because more than likely we're going to be using this product to polish the vehicle and then we'll be applying our Pro Marine coating. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell outside to be alerted when that video drops. But we're also going to be testing out Relock, which is their Express Spray ceramic coating. For those of you wanting a dedicated compound or polish without any sort of protection within it, this is where you would have classic cut, classic polish. This is where Shine Supply actually started off in their polishes. And this is going to give you low dust, excellent cycle time, 0 fillers. It's going to be able to quickly compound and polish your paint. Now, these two products are kind of unique. For those that are looking to quickly remove severe defects, that is where they have flat top. You can see here, this is going to have an extremely fast cycle time. It means within 2 passes, the abrasives have diminished and done their job. You get fast correction and can see right where you're at because there's no residue to wipe off the paint. If you have very finicky paint, you can use their Classic Finish Plus specialty polish. This is actually designed for those super finicky paints, and that way you're not going to have any sort of hazes or holograms or anything left behind. What's left behind is beautiful crisp shine that's ready for the top coat of your choice. So once you're done polishing, if you haven't used one of their primer polishes, you can use Throwback, their paint cleanser. This is going to remove any sort of polishing. For easy maintenance of your vehicle, they have several options for you to choose from. They have Ignition, their high-speed detailer, which essentially can be used almost like a waterless wash spray detailer. If you have light layer of dust, maybe fingerprints that you're just wanting to safely remove and apply a layer of light protection down, this is a great product to have, especially if maybe you're the type of person that takes a vehicle to car shows and you want to safely wipe it down and leave a high gloss finish behind. Next, we have Throttle, their detail spray. Some key points with this is that it is a wax-free anti-static formula. This is meant to help maintain your ceramic coated vehicle. This is Wet Detailer, their Express Sealant. Now, this is a unique product in that it is water activated. This is a sealant. It's not necessarily an SiO2 based product, but if you're looking for easy to apply, it couldn't get any easier than this. Wash your vehicle either using their Hot Shot soap, and then when you are done rinsing, grab your drying towel, put a couple sprays right on your drying towel, and dry your vehicle with this product right here after you give it a good mix. And this is going to be able to give you extra lubrication as you dry and protect your vehicle all at the same time. These two are the most popular protectants on Shine Supply's website. In fact, Clutch is probably their #1 product. This is a silica spray. If you apply this to the entire vehicle, you want to actually let it dry to a haze and then come back. You can let it sit 3 to 5 minutes on a warmer, more humid day, or 15 to 20 minutes if it is a cooler or indoor conditions. But the longer you let it sit, the better it will last and the easier it will be to remove. But this is kind of that car therapy that a lot of us have. Their Punch It, which is a ceramic detailer. Now, both of these are going to have silica within them. This product right here, though, is really unique because you can actually use it as a standalone product. You can use it to top a ceramic coated vehicle. You can actually add 2 to 4 ounces of it to your foam gun, and then you have a silica infused soap. Or you can actually spray it on, rinse it off, similar to like a McKee's 37 Hydro Blue, for those of you that are wanting to kind of top a ceramic coated vehicle or just give a quick refresh. So those are their options when it comes to protection. So I know it's a lot to go through, and hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am for a closer look at many of these products. But I want to share with you guys, we just reached 17,000 subscribers not too long ago. And to celebrate, what we're going to do is have a Shine Supply giveaway where one of you lucky viewers is going to have an opportunity to win some of these fantastic products to test for yourself. So here's how you enter. Down below, comment what products you would like to see a closer look at from Shine Supply. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and then while you're at it, head on over to Car Supplies Warehouse, their YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to their channel as well. They're going to have a lot of fantastic content that way you know how to use the products and how to get the exceptional results with this brand. So for those of you that have any questions about Shine Supply, about the products that we shared here in this video, make sure you guys comment down below for that as well. But thank you guys for all of your support over the last few years. I can't imagine doing this without such a great community behind me. But we'll see you guys in the next detail. Have a wonderful day.